In the shadow of the Cold War, the CIA ramped up covert operations in Vietnam, laying the groundwork for one of America's longest and most controversial conflicts. How did these secret missions escalate U.S. involvement in the region? After World War II, Vietnam was caught in a power struggle. The communist-led Viet Minh sought independence from French colonial rule, while the U.S. feared the spread of communism under its new containment policy. The CIA's first major action came in 1954 during the First Indochina War. Following the French defeat at Dien Bien Phu, the CIA stepped in to support anti-communist forces in South Vietnam, helping establish the regime of Ngo Dinh Diem. Through the 1950s and early 1960s, the CIA focused on counterinsurgency. Programs like Operation Passage to Freedom relocated thousands of Vietnamese Catholics from the north to the south, bolstering Diem's government. But as the communist Viet Cong gained strength, the CIA escalated its operations, using paramilitary training, psychological warfare, and sabotage missions to disrupt communist activity. One of the most notorious programs was the Phoenix program, aimed at dismantling the Viet Cong's political networks. While effective in gathering intelligence, it led to accusations of torture and extrajudicial killings. By the mid-1960s, the CIA's covert activities helped pave the way for full-scale U.S. military intervention. The Gulf of Tonkin incident in 1964 became the tipping point, leading to open war in Vietnam. The CIA's early operations in Vietnam showcased the Cold War's shadow battles, but also highlighted the dangers of escalating covert missions into full-blown conflict. The CIA's involvement in Vietnam offers a stark lesson on the unintended consequences of covert action. What do you think? Was it worth the cost? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more revealing Cold War history.